Hi everyone. So after a lot of days that finally I am in the studio and doing some recordings for all of you. So in this video I will be talking about the increasing stress that you are getting day by day. Some of you are complaining of hectic classes, that you are not able to revise the things. Some of you are having problem in having a short class. Some of you are having a problem that if it's a long class. So let me tell you that this stress is a normal part and parcel of a preparation in a PG entrance exam. Now I can tell you from my experience of more than a decade now that this year a PG entrance exam preparation is one of the most stressful time in a medico's life. Although I can tell you that once this period will be over, you will cherish this particular time. But at this point of time, this is very, very stressful. So please remember, it is not because of frequent classes. It is not because of a hectic thing. That's a part. It is gonna happen. And this is what you have to come over. Mark my words that even if I'll take a complete full day class and give you 3 days off, still your course will lag. And that is what you have to come on to your toes. Now the problem that everybody faces is you try to do everything and that is not gonna happen. Now please remember, there is no limit to the medical knowledge. Everybody is gonna come around this what is called as fear of missing out. Every time this fear is gonna be there in your mind. Oh, am I missing something? I should take one extra mile. I should take one extra mile. So I'll tell you a very interesting story and that will help you in understanding this. Now the story goes something like this, that there was a man who was allowed to enter into a beautiful garden and he was asked to pluck the most beautiful flower in that particular garden. Now there were multiple stairs in that particular garden and the rule was that he cannot go back and he is supposed to pick up the best flower that he could get. Okay, so there were multiple floors, like there were 7 floors. Okay, so he went to the first floor and he saw a lot of beautiful flowers, and he was about to pluck one. And then he thought, okay, it is just the first floor. Let me go to the second one and then see. He went to the second floor and he found much beautiful flower that one could see on the first floor. And he was like, oh, it's good that I did not pluck the flower from the first floor. But then he thought, oh, let me go to the third floor. I might get a better one. And then he moved to the third. And same thing happened. He found much better flowers at the third floor. And then again the same thing came to his mind and he kept on going up and up. And finally what he realized is he was out of the garden. So this is what happens. You never know when you will be out of that particular garden. So you have to decide your limit. You have to decide your limit. Okay, I have to stop this at this point of time. The day you are able to do that, I am telling you that that stress will go. Be content with the things that are there in your hand. Now it's a very beautiful part that is said, 1 in hand is better than 2 in bush. So whatever that is available to you, try to remain content with that. Try to take best advantage of that particular part. As I keep on saying in all my videos, the easiest thing is to crib. That is the easiest thing, is to curse. But the best thing that you should do is think what do you have in your hand and utilize it in the best possible way. Same is with the time. Okay, now why I have kept these short classes on more frequent basis is if you want, you can easily spare 6 hours of your personal reading even after this particular schedule. And the 6 hours to 7 hour classes, 6 to 7 hours of the reading for your own is the best way to prepare, and you will not realize it today. You're going to realize it once you'll be finishing your course in the month of September, and then you will realize that this was the best thing. If I will do the other way, if you are about to get stressed, you're going to get stressed in that particular part. So please take care of this particular part. Stay safe. Try to utilize this time. Do not crib. Rather than utilize your time, decide your timetable. Do not come into this fear of missing out. Whatever we are teaching, we know what is asked in the exam. Trust us on that particular part. We know the paper in and out. We know what are the important things that the examiner can focus on. We know what are the prevalent things that are there. Do not start comparing on one topic, A topic, B topic, C topic. If you have a concern, talk to us. We are more than happy to talk to you, more than happy to take care of you in every circumstance. Stay safe, take care, and all the best.